Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 19th, 2024, and today I thought I'd share with you one of my favorite northeastern plants here, native plants. So we have the Northeastern Native Elderberry plant. And these ones have a little bit of shading. So it's June 19th, and so the flowers are in full bloom right now. And they are just absolutely drawing in all of the various different insects, the insects that are necessary for integrated pest management. It brings in the bees, it brings in some of the beneficial wasps, it brings in butterflies as well, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. And we have these on different parts of the property. This is a partially shaded area, part of our living fence that I've been through before. And they're just fantastic. So these are this plant right here is the high bush cranberry plant. So they already had their flowers a couple of weeks ago, and they'll produce brilliant red berries at the end of the season. But as the elder flowers start to transition into the dark blue purplish elderberries, then the second round of wildlife, all the birds will be coming in and consuming those. The elderberry plants have been grown for years, and the berries have been harvested. The flowers have been harvested for different medicinal functions. They're rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, a lot of flavonoids, antioxidants. People will make syrups out of them, but always be aware that you do not want to eat them raw. The stems, the leaves, the flowers, the berries, everything contains cyanogenic glycosides, which produce cyanide. Yeah, so you don't want to consume those. If you eat a few of them, you'll probably just get a little nauseous, get gastrointestinal upset as well. And I will post an article on the Northeastern Native Elderberries. I know that when you buy them from different centers, you get John's or Adams, and those are two varieties we've had in the past. But I gotta tell you, these native ones that are on our property are just spectacular. And when they're in the full sun, and well, you probably can't see very well, but we're on the western part of the property right now, and it probably won't show up very well right now, but I'll take a couple pictures. But on the other side of the eastern garden plot, way over there, is one that's getting full sun, and that one's just glorious. One big beautiful plant. They aren't difficult to maintain. You just need pretty well drained soil, and they will enrich the soil themselves as time goes on, because of all the species that come and inhabit the area as a result of it. They're absolutely fantastic for the rest of your gardens. So they're going to bring in the beneficial insects, and some of the birds actually will eat many of the pests that are in your gardens as well, that are drawn to these elderberry plants. So that's it for today's video. I just thought I'd mention the beautiful Northeastern Native Elderberry plants. They're fantastic. Just remember, always prepare it. If you're going to harvest any of it, if you're going to harvest the berries, always make sure that you cook them properly. That information will be in the article as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a safe and great day. Bye-bye now.